Hello everyone. Welcome to the virtual class of standard costing. In previous 8 sessions, I have discussed variances related to sales based on sales value and sales margin. Today, I would like to discuss one more question and probably it is exhaustive question of this chapter. I don't want to discuss solution of this question in detail because all of you are aware of how to calculate all the variances. So let me simply provide you hint for the solution of this kind of problem. If you want to learn this lecture properly, it is necessary for you to watch earlier lectures, that is lecture number 1 to lecture number 8 very properly, so as you can directly link up with the lecture number 9, means this lecture. Let us refer the question first. On your screen, information is given for budgeted data and actual data. In budgeted data, we have quantity, price and cost, and actual data, it is quantity, price and cost. It is simple as the earlier questions, but here the examiner has mentioned over here that calculate all possible variances related to sales. If you have observed all the earlier questions carefully, then you can easily judge that examiner has instructed that calculate this and this variance. Here instruction is open-ended. We need to calculate all possible variances from the given information. So when it is a matter of all possible variances related to sales, we can easily classify our information in this way. There are two types of variances possible in sales. First, variances based on sales value, and second, variances based on sales margin. Under sales value variance, we can easily calculate sales value variance, sales price variance, sales volume variance, sales mix variance, and sales quantity or sub-volume variance. Under sales margin, we can easily calculate sales margin value variance, sales margin price variance, sales margin volume variance, sales margin mix variance, and sales margin quantity or sub-volume variance. In this question, the examiner has not given any kind of clear-cut information to us, and everything is up to the student that what they can understand and what they are going to present as a part of their answer. Now, if you refer the question, you can easily judge that how many variances are possible for this particular question. Let me explain one by one. In this question, we have information of sale price as well. So our answer is divided into two parts. First part, we need to calculate sales variances based on sales value, because we have information related to sale price in our question. And number two, the examiner has not clearly mentioned that how many variances are required to calculate. The examiner has mentioned that calculate all possible. So here it is possible for us to calculate all the sales variances based on sales value. So let us prepare the table. Product XYZ, quantity as given in the question 8,000, 3,000 and 4,000. Total budgeted quantity 15,000. Sale price is given over here 20, 30 and 25. So using quantity and price, you can easily calculate budgeted amount of sales. Same way in case of actual part, you can easily calculate actual amount of sales using the figure. For your reference, I have mentioned price in yellow color column. This is our first part. And TBQ stands for total budgeted quantity and TAQ stands for total actual quantity. Now, using this information, we can easily calculate all five variances: sales value variance, sales price variance, sales volume variance, sales mix variance, and sales sub volume or quantity variance. So let us calculate all five variances based on sales first. So from these information, you can calculate five variances based on sales value. And now, as a part of answer, you can extend part B. That is sales variances based on sales margin. Why? Refer the question carefully. The examiner has mentioned that calculate all possible variances. So as a part of our answer, part 1, part A, we have completed all five variances based on price. But don't forget, the examiner has given to us information related to price over here and cost over here. Same way in actual, price over here and cost over here. As we know better that when we have information of price and cost, we can easily calculate amount of profit. It means calculation of profit is possible over here. So if calculation of profit is possible, it is also possible for us to calculate all five variances based on profit. Let us move to the calculation of profit based variances. Quantity budgeted as given by the examiner, profit as per our calculation. You can easily calculate budgeted profit from this table. Let us calculate for your reference. Budgeted price 20, actual price 18. So the amount of profit for product X is rupees 2. Budgeted price 30, actual price 25. So budgeted amount of profit for product Y is rupees 5. Budgeted price 25 and actual price 20. Sorry, budgeted cost is 21. 25 minus 21. So budgeted profit is rupees 4. Same way actual profit 22 minus 18. So actual profit for product X is rupees 4. 28 minus 24. Actual profit for product Y is rupees 4. And 26 minus 22. So it is also rupees 4. Using the figure of budgeted profit 2, 5 and 4 product XYZ respectively and 4, 4 and 4 for product XYZ respectively, you can easily prepare a table of profit. So our part B is sales variances based on sales margin. Quantity, budgeted profit and total budgeted profit. It is simply multiplication of quantity and profit, nothing else. Same way actual quantity, profit and total actual profit. It is nothing more than quantity multiplied by profit. So using this, we can easily prepare a table with the profit figure. Now, it is also possible for us to calculate sales margin value variance number 1, sales margin price variance number 2, sales margin volume variance number 3, sales margin mix variance number 4 and sales margin quantity or sub volume variance number 5. So we can calculate all 5 variances based on sales margin for this question. So in all, we can calculate total 10 variances, and all 10 variances are possible to calculate from the given database. I hope everyone is clear for the tips for the solution of this question. Complete your question at your ease and upload the answer in comment section. Thank you. God bless you. Keep learning, keep growing.